In this video, we'll show you how to make a Bohemian necklace. Hi, my name is Juliana from 1GiftWorld, where we help you to chase conscious unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories while increasing the integration of recycled materials in our work. We also recycle, upstyle, restyle, reuse and repurpose. If you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. These are our materials for today. This is a chain. This is the recycled chain. So I've marked, I'm just going to disconnect this and use this an extension. And I am going to work from here. I have marked already. I've got these seashells. I've got tassels in different colors. And I've got a big tassel as well. So I've got jump rings. I've got some more here. I've got one big one that could be used for the cutting of this one. So, and I've also have got all my tools on the other side. So cutters, pliers, scissors, pickers. I've got, I always keep this with me, and I've got glue gun. I always keep it with me just in case. So I'm just gonna have to start. And as usual, the rest of the video will be silent. So this is my take on the Bohemian style with tassel and with shells. Thanks for watching and stay wonderful.